How to sell posters on Displate. You first need to create an artist account. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then you hover over your profile icon and you just need to click on upload your artwork. And you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can either drag and drop an image or you can browse your file explorer. You just need to make sure the image is of high quality. It needs to be in a JPG, PNG, WebP, or AVI format. It also needs to be a minimum size of 2900 by 4060 pixels in a 1.4 by 1 ratio. The DPI needs to be 300 or more in RGB mode. And if you do have an artwork like that, now you can go ahead and upload that. Okay. I have two options right here. So I'll go ahead and take this one in. We'll go ahead and use that. Okay. And as you can see, my artwork does meet the requirements. Go ahead and press next right here. And then Displate will basically begin to analyze your artwork and decide some tags and descriptions for you. Okay, it will come up with a tag and description for you. You can go ahead and change that if you want, but I think this is very, very relevant and the description is as well. I'll choose my art type to be a digital drawing. I'll go ahead and click next right here. Choose tags as well. I'll do next. Category, I'll do animals, and the collection, I'll use cute animals, which I have a collection of. Toggle this on and click on next and it will start uploading. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple, and you should be listed among one of these. And when you do sell a poster, you should earn a commission.